Hi guys, good morning. My name is Santosh. In today's lecture, I am going to tell you only 3 statements. I know, lots of time you read that statement, lots of time you listen that statements. But remember, if you watch my video very carefully, definitely you will realize what is the exactly difference between 3 statements. Means now I am going to explain one example. Early morning, a child is going to school. That time, someone asked to that child, "Where are you going?" That time, that child said, "I am going to school. Yeah, I go to school. Yeah, I will go to school." Remember, there is only 3 statements. First statement, I go to school. Second statement, I will go to school. And third statement, I am going to school. So what is the exact correct statement? Means when you think about 3 statements, these are a very simple statement. As like early morning, someone prepare themselves and they are going to job. That time their superior called to them and they are asking, "What are you doing?" That time that person say, "I go to job, I will go to job, yeah, I am going to job." If you know 3 statements, then definitely you say exact correct statement. So don't go outside, concentrate on blackboard or my lecture. Definitely within few minutes, I will clear your doubt about 3 statements. So there is only 3 statements. So remember, what is our first statement? Our first statement is I go, I do, I watch, I help. Remember. Then second statement, I will go, I will do, I will help, I will watch TV, I will go to market. And our third statement, I am going. I am going to Pune, I am going to school, I am going to market. So when you read 3 statements, then you are confused. Which is the correct condition? What is the correct situation when we are using I go, I will go, otherwise I am going. So if you concentrate on my blackboard, otherwise my lecture, definitely within few minutes you will understand very well what is the meaning of I will go, I go, or I am going. So don't go outside. So remember one thing, when we use I go, I help, I watch, otherwise I do. Remember, there is only one thing. That thing means permanent activity. Remember. Permanent activity. As like early morning I wake up. That is my permanent activity. I go to school. That is my permanent activity. Someone go to job. That is their permanent activity. If any regular activity, otherwise permanent activity is working. Means someone go to farm. That time that person say, I go to farm. If that activity is permanent to that person, means permanent activity, regular activity, you express into this form. Means remember, that child say I go to school. If that child is going to school regularly, that child never say I am going to school. That child say I go to school. If that activity is permanent, so that time you have to use I go to school. That is the first statement. Then our second statement, I will go. Which type of conditions I am using I will go? Means lots of time we use I will go to Pune, I will help someone, I will call you, I will do that work, I will done something. Remember one thing. Means when we use I will go, I will do, I will watch, anything you decided right now. Means anything you decided right now. only that time you use I will go, I will help someone. Means remember, if something I decided in my mind right now 10 o'clock and I think I will go to school, means right now that thing I decide, means definitely that time I use I will go to school. Means if in my mind there are lots of ideas, if I want to drink tea, then I say I will go to drinking tea. Means remember, if anything you decided right now, not after some time later or not before some time ago, you decided right now, that time you use I will go to Pune, I will go to job, I will help someone. If anything you decided right now. What is our first statement? Permanent activities, permanent action, regular activities. What is our second statement? Our second statement, anything you decided right now, only that time you use I will go to Pune. And last statement, I am going. So remember, that is the current condition, but lots of time we use for future. So remember, what is the reason why we use I am going to Pune tomorrow, I am going to school tomorrow. Remember one thing, I am coming with you tomorrow night for dinner. That is the correct statement. But why this is correct statement? So remember, if definite future plan, definite future plan, definitely I am going to Pune tomorrow, definitely I am eating dinner at night, definitely I am helping you. Means if anything you definitely do in the future, not a present, in the future, but definitely do. Means all the definite plan you express into this form. Remember, if plan is not definite, then never use I am going. But if plan is definite, definitely that time use I am going. Means there are only three statements. What is the difference between three statements? Permanent action, anything you decided right now, and any definite plan. As like at 11 o'clock I am going to school, definite plan. Remember one thing, at 7 o'clock morning I am going to job, definite future plan. Means right now if I think right now 6 o'clock and I am going to job at 7 o'clock, that is the correct statement, because that is your definite plans. Means if you are doing any activity, definitely that time use I am doing that work. I am watching TV, definitely I am watching TV at 3 o'clock, I am helping you tomorrow. Means permanent action, anything you decided right now, and definite future plan. I hope you understand very well. So if you listen my video very well, then definitely you will clear your doubts. So if you didn't understand, then send me a message in comment box. So thanks for watching, and remember one thing, if you like my video, then press the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.